Across advanced manufacturing, the pressure to deliver flawless products has never been higher. Industry are expected to produce lighter, more complex components at an unprecedented speed, all while maintaining absolute dimensional accuracy. A single micron of deviation can mean performance lost, costly rework, or safety risks. As manufacturing technology is evolved, so too does the challenge of verifying quality with confidence. Organizations need partners who can translate complex measurement problems into clear, actionable certainty. The Manufacturing Metrology Team helps industry measure, verify, and optimize the quality of advanced components. We turn uncertainty into clarity, ensuring products are made right first time, every time. Our capabilities span the full measurement chain, from nanoscale surface characterization to large volume inspection. The outcome is simple. Manufacturers gain the insight needed to improve quality, reduce scrap, accelerate production, and build trust in their processes. What sets us apart is how we combine precision engineering, cutting-edge sensing technologies, and world-leading research in dimensional metrology. Our work integrates modeling, simulation, instrument innovation, and in-process measurement, allowing us to tackle challenges conventional inspection methods can't reach. Whatever it is verifying additive manufacturing, assessing complex free-form geometries, or enabling in situ measurement, we bring a rigorous science-driven approach that delivers confidence. We work closely with industry to create a practical, scalable solution that fit a real measurement environment. Our research supports major industrial programs, from aerospace and energy to medical devices and advanced manufacturing systems. We have delivered metrology solutions that improve accuracy, shorten inspection cycles, and enable an entirely new production process. Our collaborations include leading manufacturing stakeholders, SMEs, and national laboratories, demonstrating proven impact across sectors. If you face a measurement or verification challenge, let's explore it together. Contact us or visit our website to arrange a conversation, demonstration, or technical consultation.